You ever wished for headphones that don't force you to choose between your wallet and your vibe? Say hello to Oraimo Boompop Lite ENC, the over-ear wireless headphone that's packing 65 hours of playtime, 360 spatial sound, and a price tag that will make you do a double take. We are unboxing, testing, and breaking down why this might just be the ultimate budget flex of 2025. The Oraimo Boompop Lite headphones, which look similar to Apple AirPods Max, which has a dual device connection, meaning you can connect the headphone to two devices at a time. The headphone costs 30,900 naira, which is roughly $19. This is a sweet spot for anyone craving premium features. What if I told you you can get a discount instead of paying 30,900 naira for the headphones? If you wish to get a discount, head over to Oraimo website or click the link in my description to get to the product page. And during checkout, input Geek Delino to get a 5% discount. Instead of buying expensive headphones from brands like Sony, Apple, and Boss, you get to save 80% of your money. But does the Oraimo Boompop Lite deliver? Let's find out. Inside the box, you get a user manual that nobody ever reads, a USB Type-C cable to charge the headphone, 3.5mm audio cable for wired mode, the headphones folded neatly in the package, and this extra thing I don't understand. Or maybe it's meant for cleaning the headphones due to its matte finish, which gives you a stealth look. The matte plastic shell feels lightweight and the foldable hinges are surprisingly sturdy for the price. The headbands are adjustable with little metals to help protect the headphone from breaking easily. The headphone comes in just black color. The ear cushions are made of leather and not so soft like other expensive headphones. Since the ear cushion is not soft, the headphones still create a decent seal for passive noise isolation. I wore the headphone to test if I can withstand the ear cushion for a longer play session, and I must say I experienced a little discomfort after playing game for more than 2 hours. You get Bluetooth version 5.3, which is the latest Bluetooth version and supports a range of 10 meters. And if you prefer audio cable, you get zero latency, which is suitable for console or PC gamers, while for mobile gamers, you get the wireless low latency game mode. To connect the headphone to two devices, you need to activate the dual device connection on the Oraimo Sound app and wait for 2 minutes before connecting to the second device. The Boompop Lite packs 40mm dynamic drivers, which is standard for budget headphones, but Oraimo tuned it to punch way above their price. The sub-bass rumbles are present but controlled, not distortion at maximum volume. I enjoyed listening to heavy bass genres like Amapiano and Afrobeats. The vocals are crisp and the eyes lack sparkle, but for 30,000 naira, no much complaint. The Sound 360 special audio immerses you into a virtual surrounding, which is perfect for movies and gaming, although it's not truly Dolby Atmos. Compared to pricier spatial audio headset, it's a solid 6/10. It comes with Oraimo Sound app that allows you to tweak equalizer and support heavy bass technology, which I have seen in so many Oraimo audio products. My experience with the heavy bass technology, I noticed you get more bass boost compared to default equalizer. I also have the Oraimo Boompop 2, and if you love to see a comparison between the Boompop Lite and the Boompop 2, let me know in the comment section. This headphone supports ENC, which stands for Environmental Noise Cancellation, which is meant to enhance voice clarity during calls by reducing background noise, unlike ANC, which focuses on blocking out the external noise around you, which shows the headphone is good for communication. This video won't be complete without talking about the low latency game mode. To turn on the game mode, you need to press the multifunction button twice, while to enable voice assistance on your phone, press it once. While playing game with the headphone, I noticed the audio latency is very low and has a 1 second latency. While for competitive esports, I'll recommend sticking to wired mode. Oraimo claims 65 hours of battery life, and I tested this. At 60 volume, I got 59 hours. Dual device connection is a great feature for users working on their laptop and also want to stay alert in case a call comes into their mobile phone, which most $100 headphones don't even offer. The foldable support is lovely, but you can't fold the ear cups inside at the same time. In conclusion, the Oraimo Boompop Lite headphone is impressive if you want all the comfort decent sound, and a feature that punch above their price, then this headphone is for you. But if you're an hardcore audiophile, maybe say to get a better headphone. This headphone is not pricey and costs 30,900 naira, which is roughly $19. And don't forget to use my coupon code GeekDilino during checkout. Thanks for watching this review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Let me know in the comment section what feature matters most to you when choosing headphones, and I'll see you guys in the next video.